My dear learners, welcome to my online video class. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tepamadupur, Kaunnia, Rampur. Class Identity, Class 10, Subject English Second Paper, Grammar, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Notice these sentences. Karim is sincere to his studies. Karim is not insincere to his studies. I like Bangladeshi food. I do not dislike Bangladeshi food. My dear learners, do you find any sense between first two and last two sentences? Yes or no? I hope yes. Our today's topic, transformation of sentences from affirmative to negative. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to write the definition of transformation of sentences, identify the rules of transformation of sentences, transform sentences from affirmative to negative. Now definition. Transformation is a process of changing a sentence without changing its real meaning. Example: Arif is a good student. Affirmative. Negative: Arif is not a bad student. Is a good student is not a bad student. Both sentences have the same meaning. Only we express in affirmative way and in negative way. The rules of transformation of sentences. Affirmative to negative. Rule 1. Must replaced with cannot but or cannot help. Example: affirmative, we must follow the rules of health. Negative, we cannot but follow the rules of health. Or we cannot help following the rules of health. If we use cannot help, we have to add ing to the main verb. If we use cannot but, we have to write the main verb. Here follow, here following. Rule 2. Only or alone is replaced with none but. In case of person or God. Only is replaced with nothing but. Nothing but. In case of thing. Example: only Rohim can ride the tree. Negative. None but Rahim can ride the tree. Affirmative. Only the book was found. Nothing but the book was found. Only replaced with not more or not less than in case of number or age. Example, affirmative. Area is only 2. Area is not more than 2, or area is not less than 2. Affirmative. I have only 10 taka. Negative. I have not more than 10 taka, or I have not less than 10 taka. Notice the transformation on the following sentences. Only he can drive that the car. Only he can drive the car. Rupla took a bag only with him. We must become aware of it. None but he can drive the car. Ruplal took a bag only with him. Ruplal took nothing but a bag with him. We must become aware of it. We cannot but become aware of it. Rule 3. Both and. Use of both and. Both is replaced with not only, and is replaced with but also. Example, both Kamal and Zamal were present. Not only Kamal but also Zamal were present. We have used not only in place of both, we have used but also in place of and. Affirmative. Rahim has money and talent. Negative. Rahim has not only money but also talent. Though in this sentence both has not been used, here only and has been used. In this case, we have to use not only and but also in place of and. Rule 4. Everyone, everybody, every person, every plus common noun, all replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. Notice the examples. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Every king has a crown. There is no king but has a crown. Transform the following sentences into negative. He is both a singer and a dancer. Every king has a crown. He is not only a singer but also a dancer. Every king has a crown. There is no king but has a crown. Rule 5. Always is replaced by never. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. Notice the idle always lag behind. The idle never progress. We have used never in place of always. I always remember you. I never forget you. We have used never in place of always. We have used forget instead of remember. Rule 6. As soon as replaced by no sooner had, comma, replaced by then. Example. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. No sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. In this sentence, in affirmative sentence, we have used a comma, but in negative sentence, we did not use comma. You have to follow it. Rule 7. Auxiliary verb is followed by not. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. Example. He is our regular student. Negative sentence. He is not an irregular student. Here A is used before consonant, and is used before vowel. I vowel, so we have used M. R consonant, so we have used R. He was an honest man. He was not a dishonest man. Now transform the following sentences into negative. His parents always liked her. We believe in Allah or God. As soon as the students heard the bell, they entered into the class. His parents always liked her. His parents never disliked her. We have used never in place of always. We have used dislike in place of like, opposite or synonym. We believe in Allah or God. We do not disbelieve in Allah or God. As soon as the students heard the bell, they entered into the class. No sooner had the students heard the bell than they entered into class. My dear learners, now I am giving you home task or homework. Transform the following sentences into negative. She alone lives in this building. Everyone hates a liar. Jim was only 22. Traveling is always welcome. You must obey your parents. I always remember you. Mr. Rashid is a writer and director. As soon as the rain stopped, I went out. Thank you all. Stay home. Stay safe. My dear learners, thank you